Hey everybody, it's Neil, and what do I know about butane and Zippo Butane lighter fluid? Absolutely nothing. But it looks like there's a hole in the bottom of my lighter, and then when I look at this thing here, it's got the this little nozzle that'll probably stick into it. So I'm guessing to fill it, I don't know if you hold it upside down or what. Press tip vertically downward onto the center of the refill. So yes, so I do it this way. So let's see what happens. I don't know if I'm supposed to shake it or not, but oh, I hear it doing something. No idea how long it's going to take. I hear it going. Oop. Well, maybe that did it. I don't know. Let's see what happens when I try to start this lighter now. Oh, there we go. We got a flame. So I guess it did it because it was empty before. So I don't know. Zippo Butane seems to work. So thumbs up for me on this. Links in the description. Like this video. Subscribe to my channel. And I'll be back with some more reviews soon.